O pati ako, mag-hair follicle test din ako. Tablahan mo na lang kami. Hair follicle test ka na. Para sabihin ng mga oposisyon, hindi naman pala siya adik. Bobo lang pala siya. What I don't understand is that there are still people who say, no, bait-bait yan si Bongbong eh. Talagang pinapalibutan lang siya ng mga ano dyan, ng mga tao niya na sila lang magnanakaw dyan. Oh, come on. As Dr. Winnie Monson said,
I mean, I would like to ask Senator Lacson that. Do you really think, Senator Lacson, that si President Bongbong is so stupid? You know, do you believe that what his sister said, that he is a drug addict, so he does not know what's going on?
if he did that though, then he is not fit to hold office. If people can just, his cronies can just do this, manipulate our economy, cause our economic downfall because of their greed, ghost projects, and substandard infrastructure projects, if that's all the work of his people around him, and not Bongbong himself, then they must think they're pretty stupid, no? Hindi naman kami ganyan katanga, BBM. 3 taon ka na dyan, hindi mo pa rin alam. Tapos ngayon, you're playing catch-up because rallies are ongoing. On November 30, the Catholic Church will lead also a rally after the Iglesia ni Cristo on November 16 and 17, where Senator Amy Marcos disclosed that her dear brother, the president, is addicted to cocaine, and so is his wife and their children. So these rallies will continue. The left is rallying for BBM to resign and Sara to resign, and they want a transition council. And I asked one of them, I said, what's the transition council for? Said, oh, that's going to be the council that will create the rules and who's going to do what in a snap election. I said, how can you have a snap election and you think that it will be fair when the same COMELEC chairman Garcia appointed by the president will still be there? If both of them will resign, that's really going to be an extraordinary scenario, remember? Because in the previous resignations of ERAP, there was a vice president that took over. And there's the military suggestion from people who think that a military junta will also solve the problem. And Justice Carvey already came out. We should follow the Constitution, and I agree with him. Do not tamper with the Constitution. Do not think that the military junta is our savior. We, the people, are sovereign. Look at Myanmar. When the military junta took over, they took over all the businesses and minerals and mining, and it's gonna get worse because they will rule by the gun. So what's the solution? BBM, do you really think that in 3 years they'll get tired of protesting? We'll just keep on denying it? I don't think the people will get tired. I think there will be pocket rallies even without big rallies. We're not gonna get tired. And I think the social media on fire against BBM. I wouldn't want to see our economy crash before BBM resigns. Kawawa naman tayo. Kawawa naman yung mahihirap kung hihintayin pa ni BBM yun.